Good morning. Welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. I'm sitting here with Kino, taking a break. We're pulling out all the string algae. We've got most of it on this side out. I have probably a little bit in here that I gotta pull out, but we pulled out big strands from over here, so you can, I don't know if you could see, maybe you can, I don't know, but yeah, we got most of it cleared out over here, so we're looking good. Fish are swimming around watching me, and I will be topping off the pond today because it's a little low, of course, because I'm pulling out all this algae and all the water. So I'm going to work my way. I'm going to undo this, work my way, and take all of the topping. Yes, I know. He's so happy to be able to drink from the pond again. He knows spring's coming soon. But I'm going to be taking all of the plastic off on this side, and then I'm going to pull it back some more over here so the big koi gets some sun. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to let you watch the pond readings for Friday. Okay, here are our Pond Temp readings for the week. Yes, you're looking at that beautiful 63 degrees, but that's going to be short-lived. We'll be back in the 40s for the next 2 weeks, along with 20s for the low at night. But here is our Pond Temp readings. Right now, our koi are sitting down there at 45 degrees. It's 6 feet down, and it's 48 in that warm pocket. Surface is hovering right around 46. I double-checked the tape. At first, I thought it was 48, but I double-checked it. It's 46. And the tunnel temperature, when I read it, when I opened it up this morning, it was 61. And the real feel out there is 54. But yesterday, we had those huge wind gusts. Today, it's windy, but it's not as bad as it was yesterday. But like I said, it's going to be 63 today, so we're not going to complain about the winds. Other than that, the temps all pretty much are staying steady, but I can see they are slowly warming up. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. I'm pulling out like 100 feet at a time of string algae. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna have to measure this. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna start pulling. It'll be a lot easier. Oh yeah, it's gonna start ripping because it's so heavy. I have never pulled out this much string algae in my entire life out of a pond. I gotta admit, this is a whole new record for me. This piece here is definitely going to surpass. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to measure this. Look at that. That's crazy. Ugh. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. And I've already got some out of here. I already did over here. That one's sitting over there, as you can see, along with the other one that we pulled out earlier, which is there. But come on, guys. Yeah, we're getting to the end here. Maybe I better get back over here. Holy guacamole, that's a lot. Ugh. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's going to be another 100-footer, I bet you. Wow, that is crazy. Ugh. That got caught up. Wow, holy cow. Get that lily pad back in there. Yeah. That is nuts. That is nuts. All right, well, at least we know we've pretty much got it off or out on this side of the pond. See if I can work my way over there. I bet you we're gonna pull out more like this. Yeah, that's a good 100-foot strand easy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll get back with you. Okay. Yeah, this is where our handy dandy little scraper's gonna come in. You can tell I got some more. I got the backside open here. So we're gonna pull this. Hang on, let me grab this. I wonder if I would do better pulling it from this side. It's not too bad here. Yeah, it's not too bad here. Looks like a lot of that got pulled out already from when I pulled the other side. Well, that ain't too terrible. Thought it was gonna be a lot worse here. Okay, this is how far we got. We at least got. I mean, there's a lot of mold and stuff on the straw, but I'm not worried about that because we're just gonna burn it anyway. But yeah, so far that's what I got on that side. I got to see the bog a little bit, got that, and you can see the marsh marigolds trying to grow, starting to anyway. So yeah, it wasn't as bad on this side as I really thought it was going to be. It was mostly in this area, but I'll get out the GoPro and take a really good look at what's going on underneath there so I'll know where to head to next. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and clean up this whole mess, and I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, so we figured we would go ahead and measure and see how long, the longest piece that we got out. And it's going to be this one. Keep your eye on this one. And I thought it was going to be about 100 feet. I was wrong. But still, it's pretty impressive. We're going to keep going. We stopped at the 50 foot and then measured it from there on out. So you're looking at 83 feet. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so after measuring all of them, you're looking at 343 feet of algae. Yeah. That's insane. And I'm not done. There we go. I think I had to fix the zoom. Okie dokie. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. So we'll just burn this over here in the spring. Oh my goodness gracious. Yay. Woo-wee. Oh. Okay, back to the pond. Hey, before we head to the pond, come on, Gage. Before we head to the pond, that's where on the other side is where we put that string algae. I figured I'd take you out to the pond in the front. Yeah, I know, we have a horrible mole problem. Doesn't everybody? Sorry for the wind. Nothing I can do about it. Hopefully you can hear me. Yeah, we got to get the string algae out of there too. It's all bunched up in the corner, so it's going to make it super easy to get that out. I'm going to get the rake. It's actually all pretty much on the banks, but we went ahead and took the hose. There you go. The hose is all reeled up now. So went ahead and put the little flag there. There you go. I promised hubby that I would let him reel the hose up. So that got reeled up. But yeah, I'm going to come out here next real quick while it's all right here. And I'm going to take the rake that we have specifically for this, and I'm going to rake up all of that algae, and it's going to be so easy to get that up and out of there because I don't want to leave that floating. But yeah, so this is doing good. Real good. Yeah, that rake will reach that, so I'll be able to get all that out. Oh, I just saw a frog dip back down. Hopefully that'll all stick together and I'll be able to get that up. Oh, there's another frog. Just went down. But the frogs are even out. I mean, hey, it's almost 70. So, I think it's 63. 64 or something like that right now. So, yeah. So, not too bad. Yeah, and I misspoke the other day on my video. All the plants that I have in here, I don't know why I called them lilies, and you guys are all sweet. You didn't even call me out on it. Yeah, no, those are irises. They're all iris plants. And so this whole bank, hopefully one day, will be nothing but a bunch of different colored irises, and that's what I've got. I've got every plant's different colors. Black iris, yellow iris, orange, purple, all different colors of iris. So that's what's going to come up here. Because if you're waiting on lilies, you ain't going to get them. I don't know how I messed that up. But then again, yeah, I mess a lot of stuff up. But, okay, I'm heading back to the back pond now. Oh, okay, we're back in the back. At least this is all cleaned up now. 343 feet. Wow, that's a lot of algae. And I know for a fact there's still some more over here. And who knows what's on the bottom. I'm going to go hook up my GoPro and see what it looks like right now under there. And that'll give me a good idea how much I got left to get out. But for now, today, I'm going to cut it because we need to get the video up for pond reading temps. And I'm just going to keep plugging on and getting the rest of this off. And seeing how much algae I can get out of the big pond. And yeah, see, even with the thing off, it's up to 75. I'm thinking I'm looking at 75 degrees. Yeah, it's going to be a warm one today. All right, I will catch you guys on the next one. If you like the video, please click like. If you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and everybody, stay sweet.